Alright guys, welcome back to this episode in the garage. Hopefully you saw the latest video. If you haven't, go catch that up. Remember that I do have a playlist involving every video from front to where we're at now on this 57 Chevy. So make sure you go down there and check that out, catch yourself up, get you caught up where we're at right now. So this paint has been sitting here a couple of days. So we're gonna try our hand at getting this thing wet sanded and buffed, and I have a feeling it's gonna turn out absolutely phenomenal. Y'all hang tight, I'm gonna get it all up in your nose hairs. Welcome to this episode in the garage.
Don't doubt the good nature of every humankind. You'll find good in them only if you try.
Welcome. So I've hit on this topic before, but I'll get it again just in case you're new to the channel. If you're going to use an orbital sander doing your wet sanding and buffing, you must have an interface pad. Never, ever wet sand with an orbital sander without an interface pad. You will dig through the clear coat just like that and you will hate your life. So if this is the route you're going to take, then make sure that you have an interface pad. You can get them anywhere and they're cheap as dirt. So I'm starting with 1,000 grit, and you can go with 800, but it is going to add another step to the process. So pick your poison, whichever way you want to do it. But I thought I would hit that really quick because I don't want somebody to jump into this video and not seeing past videos and see me using an orbital sander wet sanding and think that by mistake I am using a DA without an interface pad. So I just want to clear that up really quick. I don't want anybody burning through their clear coat. That is a bad day. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into the wet sanding, and we're going to get this thing rocking and rolling. Right now, all I really want to focus on is getting the deck lid and the surrounding area around the deck lid sanded and buffed. That way we can go ahead and get this deck lid set back on and set in the correct position, and it'll be up and out of the way, and we'll clear out some floor space. And because we have other things that we need to be doing, so we got to have the floor space to do all that. So let me get you set up and we'll get started wet sanding.
Yes, I know that you want me back down with you. And I will, yes I will, just as soon as I get all the people through. Sky so blue. Well, you know the waves, they speak so freely, my friend. And my friend, don't you think that we should do, yeah? Well, I know, yes I know that you want me to hold with a steady
1,000 grit done, or 800, whatever you chose to do, you should basically look like that. One uniform color. You can see some shiny specks here and there. But overall, that's the look you're going for. So once you're there, it's time to go to your next grit, whether it's 1,000 grit or 2,000 grit. Now we got to get rid of the 1,000 grit marks, and then after the 2,000, we'll go a grit farther than that, because I am not extremely proficient at buffing. So the finer the grit you go, the easier it is to buff, and I need all the help I can get. Now, also it's a give and take, because the more grits you go, in essence, the more clear coat you're removing. So again, you know, pick your poison, whichever way you want to go about doing it. Personally, I know that I've got lots and lots of clear coat on here, so that is not a concern of mine. So I can't tell you really how far to go with yours. It's going to be trial and error, but hopefully not too many errors. So I'll get you set up and we'll start on the 2,000. After your 2,000, all your little shiny specks should be gone, and it should be so silent and smooth you can't hear a thing. Your reflection is going to start coming back, and right now you can buff the crap out of it. You can really buff it after you do 1,000. I choose to go farther to make the buffing a lot easier. So we're going to go one more step to 4,000, and then we're going to start the buffing process. I'll bring you back when we start buffing. Really start to see the shine now. That's after the 4,000. And the truth is, once you get past 1,000, really you've already started the polishing process. So now we're going to get the actual polish out, and we're going to bring this thing back to a deep, deep shine. Y'all hold tight. I was hoping we could just start off with the polish, seeing how it went all the way to 4,000. But I believe I'm gonna have to get a little more aggressive, because it should have really shined up already. So yeah, now we're getting somewhere. Yeah, we get somewhere now. I did not think I would have to get that aggressive. I really didn't. But, oh well.
I said now black, baby, where have you been? It's been a long time since we were friends now. Yeah, raise up one of her wings to let me by her side.
All right, now that we got a shine on this thing, let's go ahead and put a polish on it. What do you say? Get you set up and we'll get on it. We get somewhere now. Yeah. Yes, sir. Get this thing finished up. fellers and fellettes, I believe that's gonna do it. Man, this thing is shiny. You can see the bugs up in the light. Golly, somebody needs to get up there and clean that. Oh, yeah, it's gonna do it. I think it turned out fantastic. Absolutely beautiful. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell notification, that way you get notified every time I release new content. There's some good stuff coming. Some good stuff coming. I think my sister's gonna come back up and we're gonna do some more wet sanding this weekend. So y'all look forward to that. Also, just a quick reminder, I do have a playlist down below. If you'll just click on 57 Chevrolet Bel Air, then that'll catch you up to where we're at now. If I could, I'd like to persuade you into just clicking on that playlist down below, watching those videos. There's some pretty good stuff in there. But that's gonna do it. Till next time, y'all go do some work.